Walking down Parsons Green, I can feel the cold. The leaves in the park are turning brown. I'm 22 years old. Crazy that I was stood right here just 5 years ago, with the heat on my skin and a lover who's now someone I don't know. You don't see it when it's happening, happens over time. First you're laughing, then you're crying, then you can't decide. My life's uncertain and sometimes it's strange, but one thing I've learned is it won't stay the same. Even in the darkness, I'll be okay.
Welcome to my coffee vlog. Now, I was thinking, and I was pondering, and I was thinking again, what would be a good use of my time on this wonderful Friday afternoon? Coffee. That's what I came up with while I was watching. What I got was, welcome to Jack's Coffee. Welcome to Jack's Coffee. What I got was a maple cinnamon latte. It's called the Mountie, like the Canadians. It's called the Mountie. So what we're gonna do on this fine trip this afternoon is we're gonna hit all, possibly 3, maybe even less, coffee shops. Let's get it. Come on, follow me.
I'll be okay. The sun will come up, the seasons will change. The sun will come up, the seasons will change. The sun will come up, the seasons will change.
How does that coffee make you feel?
Yes.
What advice would you give to someone before getting Jack's Coffee? Do you have a crush on Ryan Gosling?
Next question.
That's all I can come up with for now.
All right. Next coffee place.
My old man told me, you don't open your eyes for a while, you just breathe that moment down. 40 miles out of East Illinois from my old man's heart attack. And I believe.
What do you think?
Pretty good.
Compared to the other one?
The other one was a little better.
Oh no.
Alright, so I didn't give my review in there because it was crowded and I didn't want to be annoying. So I went to a secluded location where I could be annoying all by myself. Anyway, that was the Parisian. And I got a chai latte. It was, on a scale from 1 to 10, pretty good. It was light, it was airy, like a spring day, but not just any spring day, a spring day. More of like a winter transitioning into spring day, you know? It's one of those. At least a pretty good out of 10. Cut it out. This is definitely going in the vlog.
We'll follow the sun till the stars come out above. If you can't find the love you need, then come find your love in me. If I